right, folks, welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving headfirst into something super exciting, the future of drone pilots. I mean, can you believe we're living in a time where flying robots are not just a thing in sci-fi movies? They're actually changing the job landscape in real time. This is going to be a fascinating ride, so make sure you strap in. Let's talk about some high-demand jobs in this rapidly advancing field.
Wow, that's really cool. So, how do they do that? Do they send a drone and just do a quick flip around the building or something? Or, is it more complicated than that?
Great question. It's actually pretty advanced. The drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sometimes even thermal cameras to spot heat leaks. So they can take intricate images that reveal structural weaknesses that the human eye can't even catch. Like, if a bridge's support beam is starting to corrode, that's something a drone can identify before things get sketchy.
Oh man, so they basically have supervision. That's incredible. But, how do they even know where to look? Do they have GPS or something?
Exactly. They use GPS and mapped data to navigate. It's like having a personal tour guide that knows the secret problems. And think about this. Consider a drone flying around, checking out a bridge. If I've got a drone, I can do a systematic walkthrough without me being there. This saves tons of time and makes the whole process safer.
Ooh, that's like superheroes in suits but with drones instead, right? So, what's next in this magical world of drone pilot jobs?
Haha, I love that analogy. Yes, drones are definitely the superheroes of today. The next big thing I want to discuss is logistics and parcel delivery. Companies like Amazon and others are looking into drones delivering packages, especially to remote locations. Just imagine it. You're sitting on your porch, and a drone whizzes by, dropping off your new gadget without the hassle of waiting for a delivery truck. How cool is that?
Wow, that sounds like a total game changer. But, do you think they could ever, replace human delivery drivers completely? How would that even work?
That's an interesting thought. While drones are great for delivering small packages quickly, it's important to consider things like regulations and unpredictable weather. So, instead of a complete replacement, I see drones complementing human efforts. It's like having a sidekick. Batman and Robin! They make deliveries seamless, while the humans handle tricky situations.
Haha, Batman and Robin, I love it. So, in the future, do you think we could have drones delivering pizza or, even groceries?
Absolutely. We're already on the cusp of that. Picture this. It's a Friday night, your favorite pizza is flying to your doorstep. Or think about groceries. No more waiting in line. Drones could revolutionize food service. Plus, it streamlines logistics since the demand for faster deliveries is skyrocketing.
And then, what's the downside? Aren't there, regulations or people sort of afraid of drones buzzing around? Is that a thing?
Oh, definitely. There are regulations in place to ensure safety, like flight paths and no-fly zones. It's important. We don't want our pizza drones running into each other. But as these rules evolve, we'll see more efficient ways for them to coexist with us on the ground. It's all about striking a balance between progress and safety.
I get that. So, what's the last big job you want to tell me about today?
Let's talk about precision agriculture. Farmers are beginning to adopt drones to monitor crops. It's fascinating. Drones can take aerial images that reveal crop health, check for diseases, and even perform targeted pesticide applications. This means they're not just throwing chemicals everywhere, but are using data to only apply what's necessary. They save money while keeping the environment protected.
Wow, that's mind-blowing. So, it's kind of like giving each plant a checkup, right? But, how do farmers even get into using drones? Isn't it super complicated?
You're spot on. It's like a health check. Drones actually make it easier for farmers. They can fly over large areas in a fraction of the time it would take on foot, getting instant insights. And today, many educational programs help farmers learn how to use this technology. It's not as complicated as you might think. Just like learning to ride a bike, It takes practice, but it opens up whole new worlds.
Haha, wow, I feel like I need to go take a flying class or something. So, you're saying there will be more of these high-demand jobs popping up?
Absolutely. As drone technology continues to evolve, we're going to see a surge in job opportunities across these sectors and beyond. The future is bright for drone pilots. It's not just flying. It's about using advanced technology to tackle real-world issues.
Whoa, I feel like I just got a sneak peek into this future. Thanks for dropping all this knowledge. Can't wait to see where this tech takes us.